Your pro customers care about color. That's why Minwax Performance Series Tintable Stain is designed for optimal color matching and custom tinting, giving your pro customers ultimate design flexibility and everything they need to achieve maximum beauty and durability with minimal effort. When a pro customer comes to Sherwin-Williams looking for a custom color match or custom tint for their job, use Minwax Performance Series to help get them out the door and onto their job quicker. To help you get the right color match faster and be a top wood staining resource for your customers, follow these tips and steps. Use Performance Series for optimal color matching. The right tools in your store, including Color Eye, Color Wheel, and BAC manual tinter. Have patience and trust in your color knowledge, a good eye for color, excellent customer service, and continue to practice. Because getting the right color right at the store is crucial. Now let's learn how to color match. We will walk you through the 6 key steps in achieving the perfect custom color match with Minwax Performance Series. With the dynamics of wood and staining variables, color matching stain is not as easy as it is for paint. To help get a more accurate color match, be sure to ask questions to better understand the wood substrate, wood characteristics, and application style of the pro customer. Now, take a piece of stained wood the customer brings in to match and place it under the color eye. Line it up to the circular window here. Minwax has a simplified base system for more accuracy. Look to the POS screen to find the initial color eye formula. You'll always want to err on the lighter end because it's easier to adjust that way, so we recommend only starting at about 50 to 75% of the full formula. Once adjusted, hit Enter and the complete formula to follow appears on the screen. Print out the 50 to 75% reduced formula to reference, tint, and match, and follow the adjusted formula to tint your stain color. Shake the can. Apply to a piece of wood in the same way your customer or contractor will be applying the stain. Let the stain penetrate for up to 10 minutes. The longer you leave it on, the darker it will get. Then wipe it with the grain and compare the color. If it's not quite a match, such as this example here, go back to the tinter and adjust. Lean into your color expertise and color training to make small adjustments to back into the color match. To help visualize how your adjustments will impact the color, be sure to reference the Minwax color wheel. There are a wide range of wood species that change the final look of the tinted stain, so it often takes multiple tries to get it right. Use the tools at your disposal to help get you there quicker. After you've achieved the match, give the specific color a name based on your customer or project and store the information. Plus, store any notes and details as well, such as the type of stain, the formula used, and the steps you took. That way, when they come back needing that color again, it'll be ready for them. Just pull up the formula and match it up. Carefully following these steps with patience, practice, and Minwax Performance Series Tintable Stain, your go-to choice for color matching, will make color matching easier for you and generate better results for your customers. Keep at it to build your confidence and ability. Good luck! For more help, go to sherwinwilliams.com/Minwax.